Hello viewers, welcome back to Ani's Cooking Diary. So today let's learn how to make a creamy mushroom pasta easily at home, and this is a tasty recipe. You can try it at your home and see how creamy, how tasty, and the mushrooms and all how wonderful they look, right? So let's get into the video. So first let's place a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter, that is on your wish. And once they get heated, let's add finely chopped onions. I have added 2 onions that are finely chopped, and then let's toss them till they turn transparent. And once they start turning transparent, into this let's add some garlic, finely chopped garlic, and let's give it a nice mix, and so that all the flavor of the garlic gets into the oil. And see, at the stage that they're starting turning transparent, and garlic is very tasty to the dish. And now let's separate out all the onions to a side, and let's add the mushrooms into it. And see how I have chopped the mushrooms long. If you want, you can even chop them small. And now let's give it a nice mix, and let's add all the remaining mushrooms into it, which I have finely chopped. And the reason I have chopped them long is because they will be helpful when I garnish, or they look very tasty and very colorful at the toppings. And see how I have made the small pieces afterwards. And let's cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. And after cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, it comes to this stage. And after it comes to this stage, let's off the flame. And now into the other pan, let's add some oil, and if you want, you can even add butter. I have added 3 tablespoons of oil. Into this I am adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida, and let's give it a nice mix so that the flour gets mixed well with the oil and there is no lumps. And let's roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. And after that, into this let's add some milk and make a cheese. And even I have made cheese pasta and vegetable pasta. I will be putting the link in the description. You can check it out if you want a vegetable cheese pasta also. And into this let's add oregano flakes and chili flakes, and let the cheese get thick, and let's give it a nice mix. And you can make it based on your consistency. If you want it more cheesier, you can make it more thick by adding lots of milk, and so a little bit extra half tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. And so I just wanted it a bit liquid so that when it becomes cool, right, it gets thick. So I'm making it a bit loose itself. So once it's done, see the consistency. I have made it to this consistency. And into this mushroom and onion and all, let's add the pasta which we have boiled. And I think you know how to boil the pasta. Add water into a bowl, and a little bit of oil and salt, and add the pasta and boil it and strain it out. And I have done it. And if you want the procedure of boiling pasta, it is in my previous videos. You can check it out. I'll be putting the link in the description. And now into this let's add the sauce which we have made, the cheese which we have made, and let's give it a nice mix. And that's it, it is ready. So finally our cheesy mushroom pasta is ready. You can serve it hot when you're done mixing it well. I think when you're seeing the video itself, your mouth waters, right? So don't waste your time. on your stove and then start preparing and have this tasty dish even at your home too. And guys, mushroom is a very healthy one, so you can add this mushroom in any of your dishes. That will be very tasty. So a mushroom will taste a bit different, but so once you have it now, you will get habituated to it and you will love the taste. So finally our mushroom pasta is ready. I have served it out in a bowl, and the reason I have chopped it very big is this reason, so that they look very nice when I am topping it. And guys, thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment, and tap on the bell icon for the updates and notifications. Thank you.